everybody, it's Rich. We're back with you down here on the river, and today what we're going to do is we're going to add one more video to our Copycat recipe series that we have going on. And what we're going to do today for you is we're going to do a Copycat Red Robin whiskey barbecue burger. So stick with us. We got our ingredients out. We'll bring it into real close and let you know what we're working with. All right, this is the ingredients we're working with today. We're with some Heinz ketchup, some Worcestershire sauce, some minced garlic, some tomato paste. It calls for regular, but we're going to use basil, garlic, and oregano. Just throw a little extra something into it, and with black pepper, brown sugar, kosher salt, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of liquid smoke, a white onion. Woo, look out. What we're going to do is we'll get everything in here, and we'll see you over at the stove top. Hey everybody, we're back over here at the stove top with you. And we have that white onion, and we have 5 or 6 cloves worth of garlic. And it says a quarter cup, a three quarters cup of bourbon. Well, since we're rocking the kids here at the house, and I make my own bourbon, I just gave it like 2 tablespoons of my homemade bourbon, which is pretty hot. So we're just gonna get the flavor, not really the alcohol is gonna be gone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave this cook for about 10 minutes. We're gonna stir it up, and we're gonna put the rest of the ingredients in when we get back with you. That smells good. All right, everybody, we're gonna add 2 cups of ketchup. There's 1, and here's 2. This stuff's smelling great already, folks. 2 cups of ketchup. I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. 1/2 cup of brown sugar, packed. And 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke. There's 1 and 2. And we add a whole can of tomato paste, which I'm thinking it's about a 1/4 cup. So we use this stuff. You use whatever you want. And we're going to bring this up to a boil. It'll boil for ½ hour. We'll see you after a bit. What we've done here is we cut up 1 white onion. We took the small centers out. We're going to make what they call onion thins for this burger. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them in this black bowl. And we are going to take 2 cups of buttermilk. And we want to cover these real good. And they're going to sit around for about a ½ hour. So we'll get back to you when we bread these things up. These onions are set for, it says about an hour, but we did a ½ hour. And we're going to go ahead and batter these things up real quick. All we did with our flour here was a little salt and pepper, just a dash of each. And these things are actually going to be pretty cool. So get these things battered up. Do a little bit around that time here. Just toss them. And there you have it. So we'll do the rest of these, and we will get back with you. All right, back. We've got our burgers on. Alright, flame. We'll get this nice griddle out and get these things nice and seared up. We're going to put a little black pepper on these and a little salt. So we'll go ahead. There we go. We'll get these things cooked, and we'll see when we're back. Now we have our barbecue sauce is thickening up nicely. We're just going to drizzle a little bit of that on the burger. A little bit there. I like a little bit of barbecue sauce on mine. You can strain this if you want to get the goodness out of it, but we're going to leave it in there. So, and then what we're going to do is we'll place those cheese on top of those, leave them cook a little bit longer, and we'll see you on the assembly line. We're back, and we have this ready to assemble. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble this burger. Everybody's waiting to eat, so we're gonna assemble 4 at one time. Probably come back with a taste test. So it calls off a little bit of mayonnaise on the bottom, right here. Just a little bit of mayonnaise on the bottom bun. There you go. Now we're going to put the burger down. Ooh. A little warm. Okay, get the burger down. Then we're going to drizzle with a little bit, just a little bit more barbecue sauce. Remember, there's barbecue sauce under the cheese. There's that. And we're going to put some onion straws on top. Like so. Okay. Slice of tomato. And it's a little bit less. Just a little bit.
There, Max, you can't have any. Go lay down.
Yeah, go lay down, Max. Can't have any. Everybody back. And I tell you what, them burgers, they look awful good. Everybody says they're a good hit. So we get a taste test here. Nice constructed burger. We use 80-20. So that's still juicy. Look how juicy that is. I guess you can see it. We'll go ahead and take a bit.
You can't really.
We'll take a bite there. Mmm. Oh wow! Get the crunchiness of the onion thins, the coolness of the lettuce, spiciness, and the really boldness of that barbecue sauce. I'll leave a recipe in the description box. Check it out. Copycat Red Robin Whiskey Burger. Pretty good hit. I think I'll do this again. So share. If you like, hit that subscribe button. Hit thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. And when you do, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. We'll see you on the next one.